Hello and welcome. I'm Angèle. I'm an artist and a graphic designer, and I create watercolor art, fonts, and illustrations for products and companies all over the world. In this class, we'll take a look at the Illustrator app for the iPad. If you're familiar with Illustrator for the desktop, then you will get used to this app in no time. It is very intuitive and works seamlessly with Illustrator for your desktop. First, we'll go over the basics of this app. Next, I will show you how to draw a shape using the pen tool. I'm also going to show you how to draw a floral illustration with the pencil tool, and how to create hand lettering using the blob brush. We'll also go over how to use the repeat tool and how to export your artwork. Let's get started.